Okay. All right, I just got the delivery by DPD of this Samsung Galaxy Book 4, and you can see how the box is mashed up, so I'm not really sure how it is going to be the condition of the box inside. So let's see how it is. Okay, packaging list, and then the actual box. Here it is. Seal is intact, and let's see this. Okay, so here it is. It's a 16-inch. There's another box inside. So this is the actual Galaxy Book 4. There's another seal which is also intact. Let's have a look at it, how it looks. Charger, the book, the wire. Let's see if there's anything else. It doesn't look like. So put it on the side, and this is how it looks like. Well, excuse me. So here it goes. Let's put it on a, okay. Okay, there are two USB-C. One is HDMI port, one is USB port, speaker jack, and one additional memory SD slot. Let me put it on the charge. So there it goes. And the charging is obviously on the other side. So here it goes. So it is charging now. October 10, 24, which is an older date. So switching it on, and voila. Let me get the internet for this. And it goes. It is taking a bit of time to load. I think this happens for the first time. Now looking at the appearance, I was looking for the black color but it wasn't available, so I had to agree with what is available. So, but silver color is not that attractive though on this book. Black color is more attractive. There was one which is
to set up your device.
There was one which was dark blue color, which I had previously, book 3. That was very attractive color. So this is what it is. It comes with the dynamic AMOLED ZX Samsung display, Elite Snapdragon system, Snapdragon processor, and this is equivalent to i7, the latest version of i7. So it is restarting again after the initial setup. This one is my previous one. I replaced the battery of this one because I thought the battery is gone, but this one, after replacing the battery, it still is not charging, so I believe there is something wrong with the charging circuit of the motherboard. That's why I replaced. You can see this color is very dark blue, and this is a very attractive color also. So now this is been replaced with the newer version, which is 16-inch now. And yeah, I accept the terms and conditions. The keyboard is full with all the number keys and alphabets, with the right, left, up, down arrows, and end and home page, page up, page down on the same keys. Function keys, all are good. So this is in the process of setting up. This also comes with the Copilot key, which gives you the instant access to your everyday artificial intelligence companion. So this is quite interesting. I cannot wait to see how it works because it comes built in. It also comes with the co-creator, paint pictures and stuff like that. I can see the colors are really very bright and beautiful. That is a kind of application which it comes with. And then translate and caption audio and video in real time. Recall your PC photographic memory coming, well, this is future. And Copilot key again. So it is downloading all the newest stuff. It is going to be pretty quicker because I have connected it directly with my modem via the internet wire directly plugged into the jack. It does look very beautiful, but I'm not sure if it can be folded back or no. That I'm not sure of. No, it does not. Unlike the book 3, which can be used as a tablet also, but unfortunately this one is not usable as a tablet. So it's now 53% complete. This is the first step out of 3. So I will continue once it is downloaded.